In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the NFL app. First, locate the App Store on your device. If you are using an Android device, this will be the Google Play Store. For iPhone or iPad users, you will want to open the App Store. Once you have the appropriate store open, you will see a search bar at the top. This is where you can find the NFL app by entering its name. Having quick access to the App Store is essential because it allows you to download the latest apps and updates directly from the official source. Next, type NFL into the search bar and press enter. This action will prompt the store to display a list of apps related to your search. Take a moment to look through the results. Finding the right app is crucial. You want to ensure you are downloading the official NFL app and not a third-party version that may not provide accurate information or security. Once you see the NFL app, verify that it is published by NFL Enterprises LLC. This step is important because it confirms that you are downloading the genuine app, which is packed with features like live scores, news updates, and highlights. Checking the publisher helps protect your device from malicious software. Now it's time to tap on the Install button if you are using an Android device, or the Get button if you are on an iPhone or iPad. This action initiates the download process. You will see the button change to indicate that the download is in progress. It's a simple step, but it sets the stage for accessing a wealth of NFL content right on your device. If prompted, you will need to authenticate your download. For Android users, this may involve signing in with your Google account. iPhone and iPad users might be asked to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple account password. This authentication step is crucial for keeping your account secure and ensuring that only authorized users can download apps on your device. After the app has downloaded, be patient as it installs. The installation process may take a few moments. You will see a progress bar on the screen indicating how much of the app has been installed. This is a straightforward process that ensures your device is ready to run the app efficiently once the installation is complete. Once the app is installed, you will see an Open button. Tap on this button to launch the NFL app for the first time. Opening the app is an exciting moment as it brings you one step closer to accessing all the NFL content you love. Seeing the app's interface will also give you an idea of what features are available right from the start. Now, you will be prompted to sign in with your NFL account. If you do not have an account yet, you can easily create one directly within the app. Signing in allows you to access scores, news updates, highlights, and all the NFL Plus features available. Having an account is essential as it personalizes your experience, offering content that suits your interests and preferences. In summary, downloading the NFL app is a simple process that connects you to your favorite sports content. The app is free to download, providing access to live scores, news, highlights, and personalized content. Remember that while the app itself is free, some features, including NFL Plus Live and on-demand streaming, require a paid subscription. These additional features can greatly enhance your experience by offering exclusive content and coverage. Thank you for following along and enjoy your NFL experience.